Live a life of love. When we have the opportunity to help anyone, we should do it. Love others as you love yourself. No matter what I say, what I believe, and what I do, I'm bankrupt without love. Because God is love. The most important lesson He wants you to learn on earth is how to love. The best use of life is love. Love will last forever.